Hi lovely people, welcome to the Purrfect recipe remake. I'm EK, and these are my two whiskered co-stars, Romeo and Juliet. Today's recipe is more than just food. It's about peace, sharing, and a message from the heart. So grab a seat, and let's bake something meaningful together. Some days, even Juliet can't hold back her tears. The world feels heavy, doesn't it? So much pain, so much fighting. Don't cry, Juliet. I believe something small, something warm, can still bring comfort. Maybe if we can share a loaf of bread, we can also share a little peace. All right, Juliet, let's start with the dry team. In this big bowl, we're whisking both flours, a little sugar, oats for that rustic touch, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Look at you go, mixing peace into every swirl. Make a well in the center of your dry ingredients, then pour in the buttermilk, little by little, and knead gently into a soft dough. Place the dough on your tray and gently cut an X on top, just about a 1/4 inch deep. Brush the top with a little milk to help it brown beautifully. Then bake it for about 30 minutes until it's golden and a toothpick comes out clean. This soda bread turned out so good. Soft inside, a little crusty outside. Perfect with some jam, right, Juliet? Romeo, stop eating all the butter. We're supposed to share, remember? Look at that. Doves in the sky. Even after all the chaos, there's still hope. Maybe peace begins with small things, like sharing bread and choosing kindness. Thanks for watching the Purrfect recipe remake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share a little kindness. Bye for now, and get ready. The peace dance is about to begin.
We all break the same bread in every city, village, and shed. Romeo, Juliet, holding bread, not swords. One bite, one heart, across the whole world, from every land. Peace आपको चाहिए सिर्फ थोड़ा सा peace. Let's make love, not hate instead. We all break the same bread.